Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
One studio session later.
My name is Amanda and I hope you enjoy this content.
Trying to fish you off my mind. Spend my nights at the Lagoon, experiencing the high tide.
Sometimes this is the best way to do laundry. It makes it so much better.
Cause without you, this home's just a pineapple. I'm ready to pick up the shelf. I'ma get you back home. Say the word, I'll get the paddy wagon on the road.
It really is very satisfying for the fresh air and the clothes being on the line. It's just wonderful.
I know I'm not long tan and handsome, but I'm ugly and I'm proud. Spend my days in the jellyfish fields, trying to fish you off my mind. Spend my nights at the Lagoon, experiencing the high tide. I feel like the man with glass bones and paper skin and a heart so fragile. Cause without you, this home's just a pineapple. You're grade A, like Krabby Patty beef. Whenever you come back around, I'll take you back down to make out reef.
Baby, you're sweet like a pineapple, queen of every sandcastle. Lure me in like your bait on a tagboat, and you tore me apart like the hash, then you slash it, and you kick my ass like flats the flounder. Yeah, nothing's the same, and you're all blame. Playing hook you in my heart like it's all a game. Not even a crusty crab hits right when I'm eating a 3 a.m. patty without you by my side.
Spend my days in the jellyfish fields, trying to fish you off my mind. Spend my nights at the Lagoon, experiencing the high tide. I feel like the man with glass bones and paper skin and a heart so fragile. Home's just a pineapple.